Pharmig is proud to announce its new training portal, a dynamic interactive online training tool, making personnel training easy, convenient and quantifiable. The Pharmig training portal features high-quality demonstration footage for the training of personnel in pharmaceutical, healthcare and medical device cleanrooms. Each training video is followed by detailed multiple-choice questions about the subjects covered in the video modules. Each user is issued with a personalised certificate upon successful completion of the module. The Pharmig training portal features full administrator control, enabling you to set the pass criteria, view results, and monitor and manage user activity. The Pharmig training module, providing effective training, giving personnel a better understanding of cleaning and disinfection best practice. Why not subscribe to the Pharmig training portal for your team? For more information and prices, please call the number on screen or visit pharmig.org.uk.